I'm Bill Pepoon, Managing Partner of Construction Science. We're based in Northern California, and I've been a consultant for over 30 years. This video is intended to introduce me, because you probably don't know me already if you're watching this video. So let me tell you a few things about myself. I started my career in 1983, working for a consulting firm, and I've worked for a few other consulting firms since then. In 2010, I started my own company, Construction Science. We also started last year, in 2013, a company called Primavera Scheduling, which provides training with the Primavera software, both online and in person. When you're buying a service, it can be very nerve-wracking because you can't see it. If you hire someone to build a schedule or to build a claim for you, the reality is you won't know if you're happy with it until you see something on paper, a report, a printout, a schedule, a Gantt chart, something tangible that you can actually be satisfied with. Until then, you're investing thousands of dollars on faith as much as anything. And I know that's difficult. I probably feel the same way. It's easy for a consultant to take it for granted that you understand we're good. I think I'm very good. I've got the education. I have a master's degree in engineering. I've been scheduling for 30 years, and I'm what you would call a real scheduler. I don't mean that to sound too critical, but there are a lot of consultants who have built their careers around criticizing other people, that they review schedules, they analyze schedules, but they don't prepare schedules. A lot of people seem confused when I tell them that I build schedules from scratch. They say, what does that mean? Well, it means I hauled out the drawings, I looked at the scope shown on those drawings, and I built the schedule myself. Obviously, I get feedback from other people involved in the project. But that's scheduling, not just reviewing somebody else's schedule. There's a huge difference. So when I get caught in a situation where things are going bad, I know how to deal with it. Because whatever's happened to you on a project has happened dozens of times to me. I hate to say it, but I see some of the worst scenarios in construction. Obviously, that's why people often call me. But I've also had a lot of successful projects where we never ended up in litigation. Litigation for me, pretty rare. I had a client in the Bay Area of California. The original project duration, 400 days. We successfully negotiated over 570 days of time extension without any dispute resolution at all. That might be a little unusual. You'd probably be happy with 20 or 30 days, and I know how to do that. I've prepared hundreds of schedules. I've prepared thousands of CPM schedule updates. So if you have a problem, I can help you with it. I can solve that problem, absolutely. I can get you the time that you need. You do have those owners. They won't settle for anything. That can be tough. But I've dealt with these people. The proof is always right there in the schedule. A good schedule is hard to beat. Likewise, I work in other areas of consulting disputes. Productivity analyses, something I do quite a bit. Cost overruns, we analyze different reasons for losing money, basically, and we try to identify the party responsible for that. We may not be able to get you 100%. That's not always possible. But if you're realistic, we can make it work for you. Again, it's a service, and if you don't know me, I'm hoping this video helps you a little bit to understand who I am. I'm very good at what I do. And if we have to go to court or arbitration, know one thing. I don't get rattled. I'm confident for the right reasons. But I do not get rattled. Ever. So we can help you. We will work hard. If you call me on the weekend, you call me in the evening, you call me at 5 a.m., I'm going to answer the phone. My office number, which is posted on our website, constructionscience.com, it rings all of my phones. I don't know who you are, but I'm going to answer the phone unless I'm in a meeting or maybe in the shower. Because I want to help you, and I will do everything to make you happy, because I get it. This is a service. It makes you nervous. You didn't want to be in this situation, but we're going to make it better. And we're not that expensive, in my opinion. There are a lot of people out there charging more while giving you less, in my opinion. So I hope you'll call us. Again, my name is Bill Pepoon, and I always answer the phone. Thank you.